Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, English Grade 2, Quarter 3, Lesson 1, Day 4. Topics: CVCE word patterns, sight words, vocabulary words about community. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning objectives. Identify grade 2 level appropriate sight words. Decode words with CVCE patterns accurately and automatically. Use vocabulary referring to one's community and express one's ideas and experiences in the community. Sing this community song with your teacher. Guess where these activities are usually done? First picture. In the church, we pray. Again, in the church, we pray. Second picture. In the market, we buy. Again, in the market, we buy. A. Vocabulary building. Let's study these lines from the chant or song. Come on, clap your hands and sing along. Our community where we all belong. In a community, having a sense of belonging means having a feeling of comfort and acceptance from others. This is despite having differences with others' languages, appearances, religions, etc. in a community. I'm here for you. You are here for me. That's what makes our community. We are stronger when we come together. Unity refers to working together towards one goal. It also means being present for others and helping those who are in need. We are stronger when we come together. Stronger because of all the beautiful colors of our skin, the languages we speak, and the food we eat. Diversity means having different characteristics. These differences make a community stronger as its members have their own set of traits and strengths that can benefit the community. The title is Pete's Neighborhood. Pete presents in class. He shows them his home and his neighborhood. This is his report. Here is the school. It is a kids' zone. It is near a cove. Around it are many pine trees that look like cones. Here is the museum. It is across the school. You can see many amazing things inside it like paintings and old stones. Near it is the pet store. There are many cute animals inside. like cats, doves, and dogs. There's once even a mule. Next to it is the City Hall. That's where people we vote work, like Mr. Jones, the mayor. Beside it is the grocery. It is full of food and products you can buy. There's rope and tools to fix holes too. On the right is the church. It is a place of worship. Next to it is the hospital. It is where you go when you have a broken bone or you get sick. Finally, across it is my home. It is where I doze when I am tired. I love my home. A. Post reading. Accomplish the graphic organizer below. Let's try to answer. My community is clean and peaceful. It has a school and a park. It also has a church and grocery store. I can help keep it clean. I love to play and learn in my community. Guide questions. What places can you find in your community? What activities do you enjoy doing in your community? And what makes your community special or different? A heart word. A heart word is an irregular word. This means a part of the word sound does not match the spelling. Examples: what, do, the, you, are, could, was. Now, let's practice reading the following list of words: long O and long U. Hope, note, cope, code, road, tone, loan, zone, home, dose, bone, pole, dove, rope, wove, hole, vote, cove, joke, cone, poke, hold, gold, post. Practice reading the following list of words. Long U, cute, cube, fuse, mule. Class, I will show you sentences. These have sight words, high-frequency words, and word families we learned in class. We will use them for fluency practice by reading them together. Let's read. The line in our school for the game is very long. Both Jake and Jane fly a kite in the park. When she turns 9, she will drive me to church every Sunday. Mr. Jones got home at 5 o'clock, so he ate alone. I will call Mike to buy me a cake in the bake shop. Pete and I always read and write at the same time. Those firemen helped make a flag and put it by the pole in the city hall. These cute children need help to cross the street at the school zone. Remember, some sight words are decodable, which means they can sound out and blend sounds of the letters in the words to be able to read them. However, some sight words are called heart words. They are spelled irregularly and there are parts they need to remember by heart. I will show you some phrases and sentences with words that have the long O and long U sounds using the magic E rule. Your task is to fill in the blanks with the correct community places. I go to the market to buy fruits and vegetables. Again, I go to the market to buy fruits and vegetables. I go to school to learn how to read and write. Again, I go to school to learn how to read and write. Practice reading the following words, then copy the words 2 times. Let's read these words. These, these, those, both, both, read, read, write, write. Read the following sentences, box the sight words after. Let's try to answer. First, both Mike and June are grade 2 students. Sight words, both and are. Second, they can all write well. Sight words, they can well. Third, we like to read books about myth and legends. Sight words, we like to read about. Fourth, those brothers will ride a jeep. Sight words, those will. Fifth, did you get these games for me? Sight words, did you get this for me? Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!